It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2018 Buick Encore Premium all-wheel drive in the graphite gray metallic. 1.4 liter turbocharged engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. You got the sunroof, heated steering wheel, leather upholstery, onboard navigation, and more. Let's have a look. And you got the smart key access system to get in and out. Leather upholstery here on the inside. Nice attention to detail with that stitching. Memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. Power driver and passenger adjustable seat with lumbar supports. And you're going to enjoy Bose audio in here. You also have the driver blind spot information system. So this right here where my finger is, that icon will illuminate when you have somebody in your blind spot. Keep you nice and safe on the road. Some storage space there. A leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control, forward collision warning, so you can set that up for different distances, and it's going to keep you informed about the flow of traffic around you. Driver information center menu, you can scroll through there. It's going to give you all the information you need to know about your Encore right there at your fingertips. Headlights and turn signals. Intermittent wipers, including rear wipers here on the right hand side. Hands-free calling and voice command. Audio source selector. A volume switch right there at the steering wheel itself. And you do have a push start ignition. Full color touchscreen with AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display. Got the onboard navigation. Traffic icon that's going to show you where any troubled spots are on the road and tell you what the problem is. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities with projection. The full range of OnStar services, including the Wi-Fi hotspot, SMS text messaging, and right here with the phone icon, that will allow you to pair your devices. And you can use it for things like hands-free calling and listening to stored media. And you've got the full color rear backup camera with trajectory, and you also have the parking sensor, so it's going to let you know if there's anything around you, and you can pay better or closer attention to your parking situation, keep you safe. Heated steering wheel on and off. Heated seats, both driver and passenger side, and you can turn those parking sensors on and off. I would recommend you leave them on though, doesn't hurt. And the lane departure system, so this will give you an alert if you start to drift out of your lane, and it's gonna keep you nice and safe. All the safety features here in this Encore, love it. Fan speed operator, dual zone climate control for heating and air conditioning. Got the hazards, traction control on off, and below a handy little place you can plop your devices in. As you can see under there, you've got 2 USB auxiliary and 12 volts. Gear shifter, parking brake, pair of cup holders here, and that's where I'm resting the key fob right now. And as you can see, you've got remote start and the alarm fob. Storage space below. Leather upholstery again. And those premium floor mats will be found both front and rear. Glove box and a full powered slide and tilt sunroof. And the controls for that right here, kind of battling the sun at the moment, but there you go. Show you that in action. And you can pull that sunshade closed. LED lighting options above, garage door opener, OnStar services just there at the rear view mirror. And again, push start ignition. So to turn the engine off, got my foot on the brake, and the engine has disengaged. 18-inch aluminum wheels, chromed aluminum, Continental all-season tires. You got a look above there, bird's eye view. You got those roof rails, you got the sunroof, the rear parking sensors, and your all-wheel drive badging there. And to get into the hatch, just a little lift up, and that hatch is going to open up nice and wide, and there is the storage space available to you. With the seats currently up, you have a 60/40 flip and fold seating, and I'll show you in just a second how to operate that. The tie downs on both sides, spare tire below, carpeted floor mats coming to you, as well as the premium ones. And you've got the cargo netting here that you can set up. Removable cargo cover easily pops out, and in again if you wanted to store something larger in here. And to close the hatch up, it's going to reach up, give a little push, back in position, and you're ready to go. And the flip and fold seating is so easy to operate. I'm just going to grab this tab right here. There is your flip. Grab this tab here, push down, and there's your fold. And of course, both sides of the 60/40 will do exactly the same thing. Putting them back in position just that easily. You got the fold down armrest with cup holders. And you also have a 3-prong power below for your passengers to plug into. And those premium floor mats continue. Got the integrated turn signals there, regardless of which trim level of the Encore you select. And you also have the fog lights, the front parking sensors, so much more. You want to give this one a test drive? Come on down to Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.